Hello, my dearest WordPress lovers. In this tutorial, I'm going to help you to create a grid layout into your blog post to make it more engaging and interesting to read. So as you can see, I have pre-made a blog post so that we will not waste time, and just let's dive right in. In order to add a grid, click on the plus right here, which means to add a section, and choose the structure that you want. As I have already mentioned, we are going to make columns grid. So I'm going to stick with this structure right here, where we will have a media on the left hand side and we will have the text on the right hand side. In order to insert media, click on the plus right here and it will open the elements widgets on the left hand side. As you can see, drag and drop the image widget right here, and then click on choose image, and let's choose this image from our media library. Perfect. Now let's add the text. Click on this plus and then drag and drop the text widget, which is just a plain text. Here I'm going to paste my text, which is about the pros, advantages of guest posting, as my post is about guest posting, sorry. So let's just paste it right here. Okay, I think looks great. You can change the proportions of like media and text by just dragging right and left. Maybe this looks better. If you cannot really tell, you can preview your post by clicking on the preview changes, and here you can see that we have a problem with spacing right here, right? It doesn't look good. So let's see how we can add padding between the media and the text. For that, go to the advanced settings and then you can see the padding section, right? Let's give a padding of 25 pixels maybe, or maybe let's go with 30. Okay, now let's check it out one more time. And okay, I think it looks perfect. It's more engaging, it's different than what people usually do with their blog posts, right? So this is it. In order to save your changes permanently, click on update or publish. So this was it.